Hey, good morning. Mohammed here at North End Motors. Today is Sunday. We're closed, but I just wanted to reach out, kind of let everybody know what we actually, do. A lot, some of these Sundays, especially now these days. What's going on in the environment. We have a full-time cleaning crew throughout the week. They work from opening to close almost. They clean all the critical area, and I've said that before in previous videos. So today I came down, and so today actually we have a full-time cleaning company. Does medical buildings, does all kinds of office buildings. Matter of fact, they come to my house as well. I have them once in a while come in and do a deep cleaning. So they're here today. Miser's Cleaning. Here, I'm gonna throw it out there. They got all their stuff over here, all the cleaning, sterilizing stuff. So they're gonna clean out the whole dealership inside out. Cars are parked outside, so they're ready to go. So they're gonna clean the building, the office, everything professionally. And today, obviously, we're closed, and they'll have the time. They'll be here all day today with. Just gonna walk around real quick, the whole showroom. They're gonna clean all these areas, countertops, back office right here. Here are the ladies right here. They're professional. This is what they do. So they're here. They're gonna clean the offices, clean everything, so you guys can, people can feel comfortable coming to the dealership. Then you're gonna clean the service area as well. So all the countertops, everything, windows, doors, door handles. They're gonna clean it all, so you can feel comfortable. Being here. They're going upstairs as well. So just wanted to reach out and let you guys know. And today is, like I say, Sunday. I came down and opened it up. And hey, but while I'm at it, I want to showcase this car to you, man. This car is unbelievable. Check this out. We just put it in the showroom. It's a Jeep special anniversary, special edition Jeep. Beautiful. I don't think we have put a Jeep in the showroom, but this Jeep is absolutely beautiful. It's a 1941 75th edition, I guess, whatever you want to call that. But this Jeep is hot. If you're looking for a nice car, this is a car that you wanna come check it out. It's in the showroom. That's how clean it is. Beautiful. I mean, all our cars are clean, but this was the one really nice. It's got beautiful leather stitchings. I mean, all the stuff automatic. Of course, the roof is off. It's got the targa top inside, tires, you name it, and it's got it. And hey, by the way, also, we're supporting, this company is a local businesses. We're trying to support the local businesses. We do have a mask policy here. Obviously, there's no one around me, so I don't have a mask on, but I did earlier. And we put a sign up here as well. As you can see, mask or scarf covering face must be worn into this business. So we're taking all the precaution that is necessary. It is a gorgeous day out today, 60-some degrees. I hope you are out there enjoying the day, and spending some time with your family. Going to some yard or whatever, do some yard work, whatever you need to do. If you happen to need a car, we'll be open tomorrow. From services open from 9 to 5. We're going to try to see what the hours are going to be. We might increase the hours because we've been busy in service-wise, because people need their car service, no matter what. So we've been busy. So we'll let you know. Right now we're open 9 to 5 service. Sales as well from like 10 to 6, which is not showroom appointments only. So we're delivering cars. Check out our website again, northendmotors.com. Go click and drive, and we're making that website more and more self-serve friendly, so you can feel comfortable navigating through it. But if you don't, give us a call here. We'll walk you through it. Hey, thanks for watching. Today's Sunday. Enjoy the day. Be safe. Hope you're doing well, and support your local businesses. If you need something done, that you can at home or whatever it might be, call your local business, because we need to get this country going. Local businesses where it's at. You got moms, pops, mothers and daughters. They own these businesses that they need to get out. And, you know what I mean. They need to start getting this America moving. Be safe. Respect all the orders through the state, federal, whatever it might be. Take all precaution, and within all those criteria, just support the businesses as much as you can. We're a local business as well, so we're supporting the local businesses. So you want to make sure. We had a pizza the other day delivered, so we can't go out, but my wife and I, kids, we had pizza, wings at home delivered, and it was good. Tasted good too. So hey, hope you're doing well. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you.